Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to book a flight on Agoda. And please watch until the end. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Chrome and search agoda.com. And then tap the flights. And select the airport where are you from. Then select the city airport where you're flying to. For example, to Korea. And next, select the departure date. For example, February 14. Next is select the number of passengers. For example, adults 12 years and above, adding 1. And select which class you want. Our economy, premium economy, business, or first. So I choose economy. Then tap on search flights. Just wait a few seconds. Agoda will show you all the flights available with the cheapest flights on top. Scroll down and choose where flights you want. And tap the flight that you want to select. And just wait a few seconds. If that's how you see it, you can add your contact details. Add your name, your last name and your email address, your phone number, and your gender. After adding your contact details, scroll down and you can continue to payment. Thanks for watching and happy flights!